We have an idea. We have an idea that real estate can be different, that real estate can be better. We're out to create change in an industry that has grown stagnant, and we want you to be part of this change. If you're a hardworking agent who may see things just a bit differently, if you're a first-time home buyer that's intimidated by the home buying process, if you're a third-time home seller who's looking to keep more equity in your pocket, if you're anyone who wants to be part of something truly revolutionary, we want you. You see, we're not doing this for us. We're doing it for all of us. And at the end of the day, we can't change this industry alone. It doesn't matter what side of the business you're on. We're looking to walk hand in hand with agents and consumers into a better future. Because we believe with all of our hearts in a simple idea that real estate can be better. We are Trey Laura, and we have an idea. Do you?